Mastering the scatter graph using Matplotlib. A scatter graph shows the relationship between two variables using points. Each point's position reflects the interaction between the variables, revealing patterns, trends, or clusters in the data. This type of visualization is particularly effective in highlighting trends or correlations within data. Ensure that data sets for a scatter graph are equal in size to maintain accuracy, clarity, and reliable analysis, resulting in meaningful and easy-to-interpret results. We start with basic code to create a scatter graph, which is a great way to transform raw data into meaningful visualizations, making patterns and trends in the dataset more accessible. We will use Matplotlib to show a scatter graph, offering a clear, layered visualization for effective data analysis. Ensure that your graph's title and axis labels are clear, descriptive, and well-positioned. A well-crafted title provides essential context, helping viewers immediately understand what the graph represents. Similarly, well-displayed axis labels guide the audience in interpreting the data, making trends and comparisons easier to follow. Taking the time to present these elements clearly not only enhances readability, but also improves the overall effectiveness of your visualization. Proper titles and labels are vital for delivering a polished and professional-looking graph. Enhancing the professionalism and quality of a graph is always a valuable practice. It ensures better communication of data and leaves a lasting impression. Customizing marker style enhances the recognizability of data points. Using different colors for datasets makes it easier to spot patterns and relationships. Bright colors can highlight important areas, while soft tones give the graph a clean, professional look. Choosing the right combination of colors ensures the graph remains clear and visually appealing. Also, adjusting marker sizes can further improve clarity by making data points more distinguishable, especially when representing varying values or overlapping points. Practicing these techniques is not only an excellent way to learn and improve creativity, it encourages you to experiment with different approaches, deepens your understanding of the subject, and builds your confidence in applying the concepts. By incorporating new and diverse techniques, we aim to teach you not only about the technical aspects of code, but also the creative possibilities of customizing a scatter graph, from adjusting marker styles and sizes to selecting the right color schemes. These practices help you to build a strong foundation in coding, while enhancing your visualization skills. Exploring different approaches fosters a deeper understanding of how each element impacts the overall graph. allowing you to create visuals that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Using different marker styles in a scatter graph is an effective way to distinguish between data sets or categories. Marker styles, such as circles, squares, triangles, or diamonds, add variety and make it easier to differentiate points on the graph. Customizing these styles helps to ensure clarity, especially when working with overlapping data or multiple groups. Grid lines improve the readability of graphs by offering clear visual reference points. They make it easier to align data points with the axes, enabling viewers to interpret and understand the graph more effectively. Customizing and experimenting with grid lines can greatly enhance both the readability and aesthetic appeal of your graph by adjusting their style, such as making them solid, dashed, or dotted. You can create a visual hierarchy that guides the viewer's attention. Changing the thickness or color of the grid lines can help emphasize key sections or add a touch of creativity. These tweaks not only make the graph more polished, but also ensure that the data remains clear and easy to interpret. Using different marker sizes in a scatter graph can effectively enhance its readability and visual impact by assigning smaller markers to less significant or overlapping points and larger markers to key data points or outliers. You can provide better data distinction. This approach ensures that the graph not only communicates information clearly, but also highlights important aspects of the data. Customizing marker sizes allows for better representation of varying data values, ultimately making the scatter graph more informative and visually engaging. Ensure that every data set you create is of equal size is essential for maintaining accuracy and preventing errors in your code. It allows the scatter graph to function correctly, ensuring smooth execution and reliable results. Inconsistent data set sizes can lead to mismatches, errors, or even misinterpretation of your visualizations. By maintaining equal sizes, you ensure that your analysis remains clear, and your graph effectively communicates the intended information. This practice is fundamental for creating professional and precise data representations. Modifying the axis of a graph is indeed a beneficial practice. Displaying names instead of numbers on the axis of a scatter graph can enhance clarity. Customizing the axis to show meaningful labels allows viewers to interpret the graph more effectively, providing a clear connection between the data points and their contextual significance. This approach improves the overall understanding and presentation of the graph. Simplifying code, while refining scatter graphs, ensures they are efficient and visually effective. Keeping the code straightforward reduces the chance of errors, enhances readability, and speeds up troubleshooting. A well-structured scatter graph with clear data representation makes it easier to communicate insights and maintain consistency across visualizations. This balanced approach optimizes both coding workflow and the quality of the final output. This function in Matplotlib allows you to change the background color of the plot's axis. This customization can improve the visual appeal of your graph, enhance readability, and make specific elements stand out by providing a contrasting or themed background color. It is a simple and effective way to personalize your plots. Highlighting scatter points is crucial for directing attention to specific data and improving graph readability. It helps viewers focus on outliers, trends, or areas of interest, making the data story clear and more compelling. This approach aids in emphasizing the significance of certain points and ensures the scatter graph effectively communicates important insights, facilitating better understanding and analysis. Customizing the highlight points in a scatter graph makes the data more engaging and easier to interpret. Using techniques like changing the size, shape, or color of specific points helps to emphasize their importance and draws the viewer's attention. These adjustments allow you to clearly distinguish outliers, key data trends, or critical categories, enhancing the overall impact and usability of the graph. It ensures that the visualization effectively communicates the intended message. If you're a beginner, experimenting with random changes and playing with your code can be highly beneficial. This approach allows you to explore different possibilities, understand how various components work together, and develop problem-solving skills. It can significantly enhance your learning experience in data science and data visualization, making the process more enjoyable and effective. Embrace the experimentation mindset, and you will find yourself growing and improving rapidly. Engaging in consistent practice is a powerful method for learning. It enables you to strengthen and perfect your skills through repetition and active application. Over time, this process lays a solid foundation while also boosting your confidence and mastery in the subject or task at hand. Practice truly makes progress. Annotations in data visualizations are essential for adding context and detailed explanations to specific data points or regions in your graph. By including annotations, you can highlight important features, trends, or outliers, making your visualization more informative and easier to understand. Annotations can be used to provide additional information, such as numerical values, labels, or brief descriptions, directly on the graph. Using annotations improves the accessibility and comprehension of data visualizations, especially when presenting to an audience that may not be familiar with the underlying data. They ensure that key insights or observations are not overlooked, and make the graph more informative, engaging, and professional. Thoughtfully placed annotations can turn a simple graph into a compelling visual story, enhancing its ability to communicate complex information effectively. There is always a possibility to grow and improve, no matter how perfect something may seem. This idea reflects an ongoing journey toward progress and excellence, where each step forward is a chance to refine our skills, knowledge, and approaches. Embracing improvement allows us to adapt to changes, face challenges more effectively, and discover new opportunities. It drives innovation by encouraging us to think differently and push boundaries, ultimately leading to better results. This mindset not only enhances personal or professional growth, but also fosters creativity, resilience, and the continuous pursuit of excellence. Adding new sets to code can indeed make it appear slightly more complex, but it's a valuable method for expanding your understanding and improving your skills. Experimenting with new elements helps you tackle challenges, discover better approaches, and become more adaptable. Over time, this practice builds confidence and makes handling more intricate code feel natural. It's a small complexity now for a big payoff later. We always strive to make learning simple, enjoyable, and effective for you by breaking down complex ideas and presenting them in an understandable way. Our goal is to create a supportive environment where knowledge feels accessible. We put in our best effort to ensure that you not only understand, but also enjoy the process of learning. Your growth and success are at the heart of everything we do, and we constantly aim to adapt and improve so we can better meet your needs. With every step, we work towards making your experience smoother, clear, and more rewarding. Mistakes are indeed mistakes, but they can serve as valuable reminders to review and improve your code. When you encounter errors, it prompts you to take a closer look at your work, identify the issues, and find solutions. This process helps you learn from your mistakes, refine your skills, and become a more proficient coder. Making code clear and easy to understand is indeed essential. It not only improves readability and makes collaboration smoother, but also provides a great opportunity for learning and skill building. Working together to refine and simplify code ensures that concepts become more approachable, benefiting everyone involved in the process. Through such efforts, I also continue to improve, learning from the patterns and techniques shared by you. It's a valuable exchange that drives growth and effectiveness. Our goal is to simplify things as much as possible for you, ensuring they are easy to understand. All you need to do is concentrate and observe carefully, learning from the methods and steps we are using to achieve this. By focusing on our approach, you can gain valuable insights and improve your understanding. Customizing labels, their positions, and other elements can greatly enhance the effectiveness of a graph. Clear and well-positioned labels improve readability and ensure that viewers can easily interpret the information presented. By adjusting font size, colors, or alignment, you can highlight key data and create a visually appealing and organized visualization. Such refinements make the graph more engaging and impactful, helping to effectively communicate the intended message. Progress truly is a journey, made up of small, consistent steps. Each step you take, no matter how small it may seem, moves you closer to your goals and builds the foundation for greater achievements. It's not just about the destination, it's about the growth, learning, and resilience you develop along the way. Even the setbacks or challenges you encounter are part of the process, teaching you valuable lessons and making you stronger. Engaging in this type of experimentation helps you become more comfortable with the tools and techniques used in data science. It fosters creativity and encourages you to think critically about how to achieve the desired results. Additionally, this method can make the learning process more enjoyable and less intimidating as you discover new ways to manipulate data and create visualizations. Using a line graph to connect scatter points in a scatter plot is an effective way to enhance data interpretation, especially when the data has a logical sequence or order. By connecting points with lines, patterns and trends become more apparent, allowing viewers to understand relationships and changes more easily. For example, in time series data, this approach can highlight the progression of fluctuations over a period. Additionally, connecting points can provide a smoother narrative to the visualization, improving its readability and coherence. However, it's essential to use this technique only when the connections between points hold meaningful significance. Otherwise, it can mislead or confuse the audience. With careful application, combining scatter and line graphs can make your data presentation both clear and impactful. Consistent practice is key when mastering data visualization. With Matplotlib, by working regularly with different datasets and experimenting with various visual elements, you not only build confidence, but also develop a deeper understanding of how to communicate insights effectively. Each graph you create helps refine your skills and makes you more comfortable with Matplotlib's capabilities. Keep exploring, trying out new features, and challenging yourself. Progress comes with every step you take. By using this step-by-step approach, we aim to simplify complex concepts and make the learning process more efficient and effective. This method involves breaking down intricate topics into manageable parts, providing clear explanations, and offering practical examples to enhance understanding. By presenting information in a structured and organized manner, we help learners to grasp new ideas more easily and build a solid foundation of knowledge. This approach not only saves time but also ensures that learners can confidently tackle more advanced concepts as they progress. By focusing on clarity and simplicity, we create an engaging and motivating learning experience that empowers individuals to achieve their educational goals without feeling overwhelmed or frustrated. This structured method fosters a deeper comprehension of the material, leading to better retention and application of the knowledge gained. Adjusting the graph size is indeed a valuable practice for mastering data visualization. A well-proportioned graph ensures that all elements, such as labels, titles, and data points, are clearly visible and not overcrowded. Resizing the graph appropriately can help highlight specific details or make the overall visualization more readable and professional. This practice teaches attention to detail and adaptability. Statistical analysis plays a crucial role in data visualization, as it provides the foundation for meaningful and accurate representations of data. By applying statistical techniques, patterns, trends, and relationships within the data can be identified and understood, allowing for more informed conclusions. It ensures that the visualization is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also scientifically valid and reliable. Statistics help to summarize complex datasets into digestible insights, making it easier to highlight key points, such as averages, variability, correlations, or distributions. Additionally, statistical analysis can guide the choice of the most appropriate graph type and support the proper scaling and formatting of visual elements. Our aim with this structured method is to show you how to effectively customize each individual point in a graph. We break down the process into simple, actionable steps with clear explanations and practical examples. By addressing each point one at a time, you will develop a deep understanding of how to personalize every element of your visualization. This approach helps you to create detailed, customized graphs that accurately highlight key data values and trends. Such precision not only improves the readability of your visualization, but also enhances its overall clarity and impact. By focusing on each detail, you will learn how to craft graphs that are both meaningful and visually engaging, ultimately making your data presentation more professional and effective. Through this method, we ensure you gain a valuable and efficient learning experience, helping you achieve the best possible results in your visualization efforts. Every effort you put in, every new concept you grasp, and every mistake you learn from contributes to your progress. Over time, these incremental advancements compound, leading to significant improvements that might have once seemed out of reach. Embracing the journey and celebrating each step creates momentum, keeps you motivated, and reminds you that progress is a continuous process of moving forward. A statistical analysis box in data visualization is a useful feature that provides key insights about the data directly within the graph. It typically includes important metrics like the average, median, range, and standard deviation, making it easier to understand the data at a glance. Adding this box helps summarize complex information in a simple way, allowing viewers to focus on the main trends or patterns. It improves the clarity and professionalism of the visualization, making it more effective for both presenting and interpreting data. We hope that the method we are presenting feels simple and easy for you to follow. Our goal is to ensure that this tutorial is not just informative, but also engaging and worth your time. By breaking things down into clear and manageable steps, we aim to provide you with a seamless learning experience that enhances your understanding. Your time is valuable, and we want to make sure this tutorial offers practical knowledge that you can effectively apply. We genuinely hope that you find this approach useful, and that it leaves you feeling more confident and capable. It customizes the positioning of text, font size, and style of the text, allows you to integrate the statistics box seamlessly, enhancing the overall clarity and professionalism of your visualization. This practice not only improves the graph's presentation, but also makes it more insightful and informative for viewers. Don't be discouraged when you make mistakes. While learning data science, mistakes are an integral part of the learning process and provide valuable lessons that help you grow and improve. Practicing different approaches and techniques is essential for finding the best results in any task or field. By experimenting with various methods, you can discover what works best for you and refine your skills. Consistent practice and exploration of different strategies can lead to innovative solutions. Achieving success is always a rewarding experience, but it's important to recognize that there is always room for improvement. By continuously reflecting on your accomplishments and seeking ways to enhance your skills and knowledge, you can keep growing and reaching new heights. Embrace the mindset of lifelong learning and self-improvement, and you will find that your journey is filled with opportunities for further success. Color maps are a key feature in scatter graphs that enhance the overall depth and value of visualizations. By incorporating color to represent additional data dimensions, they are particularly helpful in identifying patterns, correlations, or distinctions within the dataset, as the variation in colors allows viewers to grasp complex information quickly. Color maps can be used to highlight ranges, clusters, or trends in the data, making the graph not only more informative, but also visually engaging. Choosing the right color map ensures that the information is presented in a clear and meaningful way, avoiding confusion, while effectively communicating the intended message. This addition enriches by providing a dynamic and layered approach to data analysis, making them a vital tool for presenting and interpreting data in an impactful manner. Color bars are a valuable element in data visualizations, particularly when using color maps to represent data values. They provide a reference scale that helps viewers to interpret the colors in the plot, making it easier to understand the data's range and distribution. By including a color bar, you enhance the clarity and readability of your visualization, ensuring that the audience can accurately interpret the color-coded information. Mistakes are an essential part of the learning process. They provide valuable opportunities to reflect, adjust, and grow. Each error teaches us something new, helping us refine our skills and build resilience. Embracing mistakes is key to achieving progress and success. Experimenting with different color maps is a great way to find the best visual representation for your data. Each color map has its unique way of displaying data values, which can significantly impact how easily viewers can interpret patterns and trends. By trying out various color maps, you can determine which one highlights the most important aspects of your data, enhances visual clarity, and matches the aesthetic you aim for in your visualization. Data visualization can begin with extracting data from an Excel file using Pandas, a powerful library for data manipulation. Pandas simplifies the process of reading, organizing, and preparing data for analysis, ensuring it is structured and ready for visualization. To work with an Excel file, we can use its file location. For this, you can rely on Pandas to load and handle the data efficiently. By providing the full file path, you can access the content of the Excel file and organize it for further analysis or visualization. Pandas offers a versatile function to read Excel files, enabling you to specify the location of the file on your system and process the data directly. This approach simplifies data manipulation and prepares it for any tasks you aim to accomplish. When working with data, it's indeed a great practice to replace generic terms like data sets with the specific column names from your Excel file. This approach adds clarity and precision, making it easier to understand and communicate the purpose of your analysis. Our goal is to make learning and understanding complex concepts as easy as possible for you. By breaking down intricate ideas into simpler, step-by-step explanations, we ensure that you can grasp the material more effectively. We provide clear guidance, practical examples, and relevant context to help you to navigate through the learning process with ease. Our commitment is to support you in mastering new skills and knowledge without unnecessary complexity, making your learning experience smooth, enjoyable, and productive. Your success and comprehension are our top priorities. Improvement, indeed, requires effort and dedication. To make meaningful progress, it's important to invest time and energy into refining your work. This involves analyzing what can be enhanced, seeking feedback, and continuously learning new techniques. By committing to this process, you can steadily elevate the quality of your outputs and achieve your goals. Trying different ideas and exploring various possibilities is one of the best ways to learn and improve. When you experiment with different methods, you open yourself up to new perspectives and creative solutions. Each attempt, whether it succeeds or fails, teaches you something valuable and adds to your knowledge. By being open to trying new things, you can discover the most effective way to solve problems and achieve your goals. This process also helps you to become more flexible and adaptable as you learn to think outside the box and handle challenges from different angles. Over time, consistent exploration and experimentation help you to build confidence, develop new skills, and grow in ways you might not have imagined. Keep experimenting, and you will unlock new opportunities for success. Practicing with different columns from an Excel file is an excellent way to test your code and enhance your learning. By working with various types of data, such as numerical values, text, or dates, you can explore how your code handles different scenarios, develop a deeper understanding of its functionality. This hands-on approach helps you identify potential issues, refine your coding skills, and discover new techniques for data manipulation and analysis. Additionally, it allows you to experiment with real-world datasets, making your learning experience both practical and relevant. Practicing coding as you are playing is an incredibly effective and enjoyable way to build your skills. Treating it like a game allows you to approach challenges with curiosity and creativity, reducing the pressure to be perfect and encouraging experimentation. This method not only helps you test your code for functionality, but also enables you to explore new ideas, refine techniques, and identify areas for improvement. It's a hands-on learning experience that pushes you to think critically and solve problems in innovative ways. Animation adds a dynamic element to graphs, making them more engaging and interactive. It helps to capture attention while effectively illustrating changes or trends over time. By visualizing data in motion, you can communicate complex patterns in a way that's intuitive and captivating. This approach not only brings your graphs to life, but also makes them more impactful and memorable. When animating a graph, the code responsible for updating the elements of the visualization should be placed within the update function. This function serves as the core mechanism for defining how the graph evolves over time. It dynamically modifies the graphical components, such as data points, lines, or rows, based on the frame or time step provided by the animation framework. By structuring your code this way, you ensure that the animation is smooth and coherent, with each frame building upon the previous one to create a visually appealing transition. Frames play a crucial role in animating specific portions of the graph. Each frame represents a snapshot of the graph at a particular point in time. By updating the graph state for each frame, we create the illusion of movement and transformation. This technique allows you to control and animate various aspects of the graph. Using Funcanimation to create these animations not only improves the visual impact of your graphs, but also enhances your understanding of data visualization techniques. This hands-on approach allows you to explore different possibilities and develop your skills in creating dynamic and informative graphs. Indeed, there's always an opportunity to improve and refine the way things work. Striving for better solutions, more efficiency, and higher quality not only enhances outcomes, but also fosters growth and innovation. This mindset of continuous improvement keeps systems evolving and ensures that work processes remain dynamic and effective. By embracing change and seeking better ways of doing things, you can consistently move towards greater success and fulfillment. Adjusting the animation speed is an excellent practice when working with visualizations or interactive graph. It allows you to control the pace at which information is displayed, ensuring that it is neither too fast to follow nor too slow to engage the audience. This flexibility helps tailor the presentation to different viewers or contexts, making it more effective and user-friendly. Properly adjusted animation speed enhances clarity, maintains the viewer's interest, and ensures that key insights are communicated effectively, ultimately improving the overall impact of the visualization. Trying out different columns from an Excel file to create animations is an excellent way to experiment with your code and refine your skills. This approach allows you to explore how animations respond to various types of data, such as numerical trends, categorical information, or time series data. By testing different scenarios, you can better understand how to manage transitions, set appropriate speeds, and enhance the visual appeal of your animations. It's a hands-on method to learn, adapt, and improve, turning your practice into a creative and productive experience. Setting a graph is an essential practice in data analysis and visualization. It allows you to preserve your work for future reference, making it easy to revisit or share your findings with others. Setting your graphs as images is an excellent practice. It allows you to preserve your visualizations for future reference, share them easily, and include them in reports or presentations, while saving graphs as PDFs ensures high-quality, detailed visualizations that are perfect for reports, presentations, and easy sharing. Saving animations as GIFs or video files is a great way to preserve and share dynamic visualizations. GIFs are ideal for quick sharing on platforms or embedding in documents due to their lightweight format and easy playback. Videos, on the other hand, provide higher quality and support features like sound and longer durations, making them suitable for detailed presentations or professional use. Both formats ensure your animations are accessible, visually appealing, and ready for various applications. Adjusting the speed of animation for videos is a smart practice, as it helps make the content more engaging and easier to follow. Proper speed ensures that viewers can clearly observe key details and transitions without feeling rushed or bored. It also allows you to tailor the video to different audiences or purposes, enhancing its effectiveness and overall impact.